If you're looking for action, this sports camera is what you need. So let's unpack it together. This is a 4K action camera. It's a mini camera. It must be the tiniest camera I ever had in my head. Look at this, it's just like GoPro and USB stick have a little baby. So, first impression, thumb size. I mean, it's literally so small, so if I lose it somewhere in my backpack, I'm never gonna find it. Lightweight, it's 1 ounce, so it's literally like my snack bar. Magnetic, I mean, I can easily slap it to my fridge. Or, you know, wear it like a high-tech spy. I'm literally like a spy. So, what's in the box? Magnetic lanyard, because wearing tiny gadgets, it's a future. Wow, it sticks really well. Helmet and bike baskets. Also, you can wear it on your hand or on a dog's neck, or if you have a drone, at the bottom of your drone. It goes in 2 sizes, small and big. And the waterproof case. And by waterproof, I mean you can literally drop it in the ocean and it's gonna still record in the video. This little guy records everything in 4K 30 FPS. This means I can capture every embarrassing moments in my life in cinematic quality. Battery lasts 90 minutes. Also, it's Wi-Fi connectively, meaning I can instantly transfer all my adventures straight to my phone. No cables, no problem. If James Bond needs a camera, this is gonna be his choice. Tiny, powerful, and ridiculously fun to use. And as a bonus, you have this mount holder that you can attach to a bicycle or electric scooter. And many other different options how and where to attach this camera. You're gonna find everything that you need right here, I'm sure. You're gonna attach this camera first in this case and then to one of these holders. To charge this camera, you can easily use the Type-C charger. Also, you have a little memory card right here for 128 gigabytes. You can use micro SD memory card right here with the different sizes like 60 gigabytes or 128. So in this camera we have lanyard hole, lens, microphone, indicator light, 3 seconds button. It's Wi-Fi button and also recording. Here if you open, you can find the reset button, card slot and charging data transfer hole. You can transfer your data by using Wi-Fi or cable that goes inside. It's a Type-C cable. Also, we have here a little USB and a very small key if you need to restart your camera. It takes approximately 2-3 hours to full charge this device. So to turn on this camera, you're gonna press this button for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3. Now you see we have a blue light and it's doing some vibration, but just once. If you're gonna press 1 time, it's gonna start recording and there's gonna be also a vibration. So now it's recording. You see the blue button is blinking. Let's see how it works with shaking. Then we're gonna stop it by pushing just 1 time. Then we're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. You're gonna press this button 2 times. And there's gonna be also a long vibration and a green light. So you're gonna find in the list of your Wi-Fi's the name of this camera and you're gonna put the password here. It's gonna tell you in this app what kind of password it's gonna be. It's gonna begin with the letter H and number 8. If you're gonna connect successfully, the green light's gonna appear right here. Then you're gonna come back at the app. It will connect to your camera, and now, wow, you can see everything on your app. This is the app, this is me. Wow, this is truly clear picture. Also, you can transfer to your Google Disk your videos from this camera through this app. So the quality is really good. Even if I shake this camera, the quality is still perfect. So in camera settings, you can choose image resolution, video resolution. It's always automatically 1440, but you can use in the highest resolution. Loop options recording from 1 to 9 minutes. You can adjust exposure compensation, camera language, and choose the collision sensing. When the camera is working state, it will automatically lock current recording video when a collision is detected. So I personally recommend this high quality piece. Buy, try, and like.